Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Hey, guess what this week is, everybody? It's Christmas. And what do people love for Christmas dinner? Well, folks, it's ham. Kirkland Ham. So Costco, that's right, has their own Kirkland brand ham. This is spiral sliced ham with natural juices, hickory smoked, pre-cooked ham. So the instructions on this, real easy. All we do is put it in the oven and heat it up. All right, so the instructions say for about 2 hours, but it actually specifically says 12 to 15 minutes per pound. Now this is about an 11.5 pound ham, so probably need to cook it for about 2.5 hours. I paid $21.56, $1.89 per pound. So open it up, put it in the pan, and then put it in the oven. Now remember, here at Chef Dawg, we love to review Costco food, and then we taste it and let you know what we think at the end. Okay, it comes pre-sliced. Just to take this little thing off, it was over the bone. Put it on there. Okay, so as you can tell, see, it's pre-sliced already, which is awesome, super convenient. You see those slices? Look at that, ooh, smells so good. I guess I could eat it right now if it's pre-cooked, but I'm gonna heat it up and follow the instructions. Also, it comes with this package, gluten-free by the way, but this is Glaze. So at about the 2.5 hour mark, you take it, glaze it, and put it in for another 10 minutes at 425. So we'll do that as well. Also, it says make sure to wrap it in tin foil. That way it keeps it moist, doesn't dry it out. All right, we have our oven already preheated at 275. We'll put it in. Here you go. I'm gonna set the timer for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. All right, it's been about 2.5 hours. I'm gonna check this right now and see where we're coming in at. It says we wanna be right around 140 internal temperature, and we're not even close. 84, 85. That's kind of disheartening. That means I'm not even close. I upped it to 350 because I had checked it about a half hour before as well. It's not heating up nearly as quickly as the instructions say that it should. So if I were to do this again and I was, because we do have people coming over, instead of the 12 minutes per pound, I would actually probably go with the 15 minutes per pound. So closer to 3 hours than my 2.5. And I bet I'm not there yet either because I'm like half. So I guess we'll test it and see again in another and a half hour from now. It did say to check it often and to not overcook. So maybe it goes up really quick. I hope so. Otherwise, people are going to be starving. Okay, we'll keep checking it and we'll be back. Okay, another quick update. I just upped it at the temperature again. I'm putting it at 425 because I'm 3 hours and 15 minutes in. Supposed to have dinner at 6, which is 2 minutes from now. I'm only at 101. I'm gonna take this to 120 degrees. I have a little meat chart that says for pre-cooked ham, 120 is ideal, so I'm gonna go off of that. But I just put it at 425, I'm now at 101, and we'll see. All right, I'm going to make the ham glaze mix now. So it comes with sugar, brown sugar, spices, and honey. Okay, this is in it as well. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. I, of course, am going to use it. The instructions are pretty simple. Kind of has a cinnamony kind of smell. Okay, and then it just says add 3 tablespoons of water. Mix that up, here's like that. Heat, stirring constantly until mixture comes to a boil. I'm going to wait until that is ready, until the ham's to my internal temperature that I'd like, and then I'm gonna heat this up, and then pour it over the top of it, because then you cook it for another 10 minutes at 425. So we'll do that in a sec. Our guests are here, still waiting for the ham to cook, but now here we're gonna take this glaze and we're gonna heat it up until it starts to boil, and then we're gonna put it on the ham. So 124 degrees, and I have it at 425. It says to stir frequently. Okay, it's actually already boiling around the sides, and I don't know if I've even had it on, I've probably had it on in 1 minute. So it cooks extremely fast. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that way down. I'm gonna get the ham out. Okay, we're gonna pull this out. It's at 427. I'm supposed to glaze it and put it on for another 10 minutes. So by the time it gets to 140, I think we'll be good. Lots of juice there in the bottom. That's how it is. That's what it looks like. Ooh, boy, it is 10. Yeah, it's done. It's sticking it in there. It's gonna fall apart. Glaze that on there. Now the instructions say, put it back in there for 10 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Set for 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready. Looks like the beeper went off, so we're ready. Kirkland Ham from Costco, 45. Okay, hey, I actually like that. Now it's our taste test. So some of my most favorite people in the world again are here. Woo, that's hot. This is my buddy Jared, and come on in. Y'all know Aaron, you've met him before too. We're gonna taste test this.
Maybe.
I'm going to. Okay, grab a fork.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab one too. And then we have to have an honest opinion on what you guys think here.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, go for it. Cut pieces and let's taste it. Now again, it has to be honest opinion. You don't hurt my feelings because this is Costco.
Oh, we'll be honest. Wow.
It's
good.
You feel all right about it?
I like it.
Are you tasting the glaze very much?
The edge pieces and the top edge,
Yeah.
have more of that.
Yeah, because I'm saying I'm not
maybe some
tasting
of this might need to go back.
Oh,
to the
that's
top.
true. Hey,
Yeah, we need to
Hey.
Dip it in the juice.
that's a good idea.
I'm gonna try that.
Try that. That juice,
There's always room for sugar.
that is a great idea. Good idea, Jared. Do you think it's a little drier than it needed to be, or are we good on the...
I'm enjoying
You
this.
feel all right? Good.
And the glaze is really delicious.
I think I've had better ham, I'm gonna be honest.
Yep.
Because it's maybe a little drier, and maybe that's just because they're pre-sliced, so it kind of dries that out some.
It's good. It's good ham.
But yeah,
No, it's good.
I mean,
I'm enjoying it.
yeah, it's good. It's not maybe like honey baked level.
yeah, like honey, exactly.
Maybe
what I
not. Maybe not quite
Yeah,
honey baked.
and I don't know what they do different, but this
They overcharge you.
they overcharge you.
So I think you expect it to taste better. So.
Well, maybe what it was though is because I had to hurry this up. And I'm keeping it at 275
Delicious.
for a longer period of time. It might have turned out, it might not have been as dry because that's what the instructions said. But 3 hours in, I was only at 99 degrees.
Yeah.
So if that's the case, I would put it in earlier and then keep it at the 275 maybe. But other than that, I mean, it's ham, and we're gonna
And
eat
it's
it,
delicious.
and we're gonna love it.
Still a thumbs up.
So I'm gonna give it like a 7.2.
All right.
What do you guys? What do you
I was like 7.5.
7.5,
Yeah, maybe 7.3.
7.3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little more critical on myself, I guess. But there you go. All right. Well,
Thanks for dinner.
yeah, and these guys are gonna eat it with me. So hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye.